Hello, brown coats. I wanted to share some information with you because I was just so excited about it. No, R2, this isn't a Star Wars episode. This is about Firefly. Firefly. You know, Serenity, Malcolm Reynolds, Jayne Cobb. Sometimes droids just don't know everything. Now there is only two ways to get a hat like this. First way is you have to make it. Well, I didn't have to make it. My wife made it. She made it for me for my birthday 2 years ago. It's probably one of my prized possessions that I have among all the things I have. Now if you want to make one, my wife said there's no better place to go to than Crafts by Ellen. She has a YouTube channel, explains with great detail on how to make a hat just like this. So in a way, I received my hat the same way Jayne did by a loved one who made it for me. And if you like Firefly props, there's no better series than the Firefly Season 1, where several creators have gathered together to show you just how to make iconic Firefly props. Now the second way is you can go buy one. My son, for my birthday this year, bought me this hat. I love it too. And it's got some really cool personal touches. And they even left a really nice touch in details that many might skip. He was able to put in a personal note, "Happy birthday, Dad. This one's made by Ma Cobb for her boy." Alright, so what's my thoughts between the two? Well, as you can see, the colors are a little bit different. And I think that accounts mostly for, when you look at the episode that Jayne's wearing his hats, the lighting is always different. Now, if you're one of those people that has to have exact canon, well, I don't do exact canon, but I can appreciate it. The hats, they're a little bit different. Now, I made my wife watch every episode of Firefly an excruciatingly amount of time. We took screenshot after screenshot. We went to Joanne's more times than I care to do, but we finally settled on this scheme. Now, you can see that the color is a little bit different for the one that my son got me. But I love them both. Why? Because I'm a Firefly freak, and I love things that are made and bought for me, especially when they're unique enough that they truly know what you like. And they're sharing that part of them with you. Now, I'm kind of curious. Do you have a Jayne hat? Did you make it? Did you buy it? Is it autographed? And if all of this has left you really confused, maybe it's because you're a part of my Star Wars audience and you're missing out. You gotta go see Firefly right now. I mean, like right now. Like, you don't have to finish this episode at all. Go right now and get Firefly and watch all the episodes. Then you come back and see this one, and then you can really appreciate what we're all talking about here, because being a brown coat is awesome. The man walks down the street in that hat. People know he's not afraid of anything. If you know which episode that comes from, put it down in the comments.